Ma'am.
Ang bagal po ng area.
Okay. Sa
Ay, tower.
I-Tower,
Yeah.
may pipick upin tayo doon.
Opo.
Isang tao lang, ma'am?
Opo.
Sige. Ano po yung pipick upin natin, ma'am, kaibigan niyo po?
Opo.
Kasamahan mo sa trabaho?
Ano po, school po. Student pa lang po.
Student pa lang po kayo?
Opo.
Babae, lalaki?
Babae.
Babae. Actually, vlogger po ako.
Ah,
So, nagpe-pretend ako ng Korean. So, pinaprank ko yung mga pasahero ko. Kung sakali ba, pwede ba ako natin i-prank yung kasama mo?
sige po. Pero wait.
Pwede?
Sige po.
Kasi wala, okay lang ba i-upload sa inyo? Ano, game?
Sige po, pwede po.
Tatry lang natin, no? Kung ano mangyayari, kung maniniwala pa siya.
Sige po.
Wait lang, saan siya upo?
Dito po kasi siya pag dinadaanan.
Dito sa left side.
Ay, wait. No.
Sabi mo, Korean si Kuya.
Opo.
Pero may camera na tayo. Ito yung mga camera natin, ha?
Ay, sige po.
Ito na si ma'am. Hello.
Akala. Bakit ang ate? Nagulat ako. Sabi ko, wait lang. Akala ko kanina. Matagal pa. Kasi matagal tayo mag-book, diba? Tapos usually 16 minutes.
자, 회전입니다.
We're going to?
Sorry?
We're going to
Santa
산타 아나
Ana.
호스피탈?
Yes.
Yeah. 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다. Korea예요, Korea.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, 반갑습니다. First time encounter Korean driver?
Yeah? How is it like being a Korean driver? How is it like being a driver
Very fun.
here?
The traffics are very fun. Yeah. 좋아요. 학생이에요? You student?
Yeah.
You student? Ooh.
Yes. It's our last year in college.
Oh,
Yeah.
Congratulations in advance. But my problem here,
Yes.
Tagalog, kunti Tagalog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to learn Tagalog. Yeah, can you teach me Tagalog? Yeah. You teach me Tagalog.
What are the words that you know? What are the words that you know?
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Yeah, salamat po. To right is it Kana?
Kanan,
Yeah,
yes.
Kana.
And then left is kaliwa.
Yeah, Kaliwa, left Kaliwa. Yeah, you teach me more Tagalog.
More Tagalog?
Sure, yeah. Yeah, Tagalog, more Tagalog.
Do you know what sorry in Tagalog?
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, 괜찮아요. Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. What is it? Sorry,
You
Tagalog.
say pasensya po.
Pasensya?
Yes.
Pasensya po.
Yes.
Yeah, pasensya po. Pasensya po. Yeah, 미안해.
Yeah, miyan.
미안해.
I only know a few Korean
Yeah, what
words.
is the Korean word, you know?
Annyeong. And then,
안녕. 안녕하세요? Yeah.
Yeah. What else?
반갑습니다. You know it? Nice to meet you.
Oh.
Yeah, 반갑습니다.
Yeah.
Yeah, 그런데 에러 뭐예요? 에러
What's
뭐예요?
그런데? What's that?
Yeah, by the way,
By
what
the
is
way?
your name?
Oh.
Yeah, 그런데 what is your name? What is your name? Yeah, 그런데 에러 뭐예요? What is your name?
My name is Kat.
Kat?
Yes.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you. And
My
her?
name is Camille.
Camille, yeah, nice to meet you.
What's your name? What's
Just
your
call me Mr. Hun.
Mr. Hoon.
Yeah,
Okay.
Hun. Yeah, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, Mr.
That's
Hoon.
my last name.
Okay.
My first name is Sutang. Yeah.
Sutang.
Yeah.
Sutang. How long have you been here in the Philippines?
3 years. 3 years.
3 years
Yeah,
already?
3 years.
How long have you been cab driver?
So 1 year.
1 year?
Just following the ways.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, following the ways. Yeah, Mr. Hun. That's my
Last name.
Last name.
Yes.
My first name is
I forgot.
hmm?
Sita.
Su.
Suta.
Yeah, Sutang.
Okay.
So Sutang.
Suta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Filipino are very good people, friendly people, funny people. Yeah. Always smiling like you. Yeah, always
Like
smiling.
me?
Filipino. Hospitable. Yeah. But no boyfriend. You no boyfriend. No boyfriend.
No boyfriend.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
Study first.
She has boyfriend.
Oh, she has boyfriend. It's okay, but if illegal, it's okay. Legal in, you know.
Parents, yes.
Why you don't have boyfriend?
I don't know. I think I need Korean boyfriends.
Ikaw ay tila sining sa museng naluluwa. Hinihiling kong ginto.
You need
I
Korean
need to
boyfriend?
go to Korea.
Oh, you want to go with me?
Yes.
Yeah?
You like the cushion all my life.
Yeah?
Can you be my tour guide in Korea?
Sure.
I was supposed to go to Korea last July. but,
What happened?
I have internship, so it was cancelled. Only my other family members had to go.
You have a passport?
Yes, I have.
So you want to go with me?
Ikaw ay tila sining sa museng niluluwa.
I want to go to Korea, but I don't have visa.
You don't have visa?
We need to have visa for Korea. Are Korean people friendly
Yeah,
for
friendly.
tourists?
But the other Korean is very serious people because like business, you know. Yeah, you want to go with me?
Wanna keep you like the cushion all my life.
You will tour me in Korea?
Sure, yeah.
Where do you live in Korea? Are you in Seoul?
Incheon.
In Seoul?
Yeah, Incheon.
Oh, Incheon. Okay.
Yeah, Incheon.
That's near the airport, right?
Yeah. But actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I escaped.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, before when I was young.
How? How was it? How was it? It was a long process.
No, in the middle of the night.
Oh.
Yeah, we escaped in the forest. Yeah, when I was 10 years old.
You were 10 years old?
Yeah, before then transferred to the south. Then I discovered in the south. I discovered wow, what a nice world.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very different from North.
Yeah, very strict, you know. You want to go with me in North?
No. Is it scary in North
Yeah,
Korea?
yeah.
Do they allow tourists in North Korea? Do they allow tourists?
Yeah, but limited.
Limited area only?
Yeah, no picture.
No picture.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very strict.
Very strict.
So you need
Compared to South Korea.
Yeah. South is very good.
Have you been to Cebu or Bohol?
Oh, not yet.
Bohol. Bohol is like a mini Korean town.
Oh,
We went there last July.
Oh, really?
Yes, and there's a lot of Koreans, like Koreans everywhere. The
Wow.
stores are all Koreans, and a lot of Korean foods also. And the do you know tricycle?
The
small ones.
Yeah.
They have Korean signage.
Oh,
already,
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
In Hangul.
It's easy to understand.
Yeah.
Hangul.
It's amazing. What Filipino food do you like? Adobo?
Yeah, adobo. Yeah, adobo. 맛있어, yeah. Delicious.
She knows how to cook.
What?
Adobo.
Adobo? Oh, adobo. Chicken.
Chicken adobo?
Yeah. I will help you to process your visa.
Really?
Yeah, you want it? Yeah. We go in Korea. No, you want it? Yeah.
When's the last time you went to Korea? When's the last time you went
Last
to Korea?
time?
Yes.
2021.
Before, that was during pandemic, right?
Yeah. With your family.
Hmm?
You and your family go to Korea.
Yes.
What is your number? I will get your number.
Okay. Or I can put your number. I can just have your number.
My number?
Yes, wait. Is it Philippine number?
Yeah, Philippine number.
Can you say it? Or you can type it.
09.
Okay, 09.
What is your
My
group?
number?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Me, I'm smart.
Small?
Yes. It's okay. What's your number?
Kaso globe tong akin eh. Kaso globe tong akin eh.
It's okay.
Okay lang? Sigurado ka?
Pero totoo po.
Ah?
Are you Korean? Hindi. Ay. Para sa Korea po talaga kayo. Kuya! Akala ko pa naman Korean ka.
It's a
English.
It's a
Prank.
prank.
But you're very good, kuya.
Wow, talaga? Thank
Pa
you.
yan?
Prank lang po
Ready
yun.
na pa naman sana ako mag-visa ko, kuya eh.
Natawa ko kanina. Sasama ka na sa akin.
Sama na ako sa Korea, kuya.
Sa
Pero hindi
Korea?
ako titira.
Ay, hindi ka titira. Akala ko, titira ka sa bahay
Kuya,
ko eh.
masa pa naman ako, kuya, na
Oh.
pupunta na ako ng Korea.
Prank lang pala. Ako po ay isang Pilipino. So, na-prank ka. So, actually, yan, kasabot ko siya.
Kaya hindi ako mahingan. Salita.
Kasabot ko siya. I'm Mr. Hoon, right? Mr. Hoon. What is my first name?
Oh my God! Yung pala yung kaya Kamil!
Nag-English ako nung una.
Kuya naman!
Bigla siya Kuya, dat naging
Kuya, ang galing kasi. Ang galing talaga, promise.
Talaga?
Kuya!
So, ikaw yung na-prank namin. Kasama
Mga
ka.
ilan na yung nabibiktima mong ganyan, kuya?
Ay, marami na. Oo, gusto niyo ba makita yung mga vlogs ko?
May vlog ka! Hala, kuya naman!
Actually, naka-video pala tayo. Hindi ko pala nasabi, no?
Okay lang, kuya.
Okay lang. So, actually, naka-vlog pala tayo. So, yan. Okay lang ba i-upload natin sa akong social media account?
Ano po pangalan?
Eto, nakalimutan ko nga pala, vlogger pala ako. Si ma'am kasi pinaliwanag ko na sa kanya. And,
Ako hindi pa.
so, ikaw hindi pa, no? Oo
Kuya!
nga pala. So, ito, search nyo sa Facebook, YouTube, yan, TikTok, pwede rin.
Kuya, ano ba yan? Ready pa naman ako pumunta ng Korea.
Oo nga eh, no? Oo, umasa. Dito na tayo, no?
Ako.
So, ayan, sayang naka-grab pay pala kayo, no?
Oo.
So, pag nakakas kasi nililibre ko na pamasahe.
Ay! Ay! Ah, kuya! Joke lang. Okay lang naman po.
Okay lang ba?
Okay lang po yun.
Sayang, nilibre ko sana sa...
Sayang naman problema pa man din po.
Okay, babalik ko na sa inyo yung pamasahe.
Ay, totoo ba?
Oo, magkano yung pamasahe niyo?
Libre
Dito na tayo?
Totoo.
Kasi it's a free ride.
Ah!
Oo, naka-grab pay nga kayo, di ba? So, it's 270. Ibabalik natin sa inyo ang inyong pamasahe. Buti meron akong dito. So, 2, 4.
Sabi ko pa magko-commute ako mamayang gabi.
Ay, ganon?
Oo. Para makatip.
670. 270. Cashback. O, di ba?
Thank you, kuya.
May cashback pa kayo sa Grab.
Vlog niyo.
Ayan, thank you. Mag-ingat kayo, ha?
Sana madami views.
Sana. Thank you. Ingat kayo.
Ingat po.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye. So, yun. Tuwan-tuwa sila sa free rides. Uy! Galing at free rides sila. Buti na lang, meron akong cash dito kasi may time na wala akong cash. And it's done, Metos TV, the Korean Prankster. At ang ganda ng suot ko ngayon. Bagong-bago, oh. Kakasuot ko pa lang, nakadali ka agad. And it's done. And done, Metos TV, the Korean Prankster. And the great pretender na laging nagsasabing, I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender. Yeah.